You're going to actually learn how to actually VG. And not only VG with me, but VG solo play for you guys as well too. There's going to be one session with me, and then there's also a session where you guys can play at your own risk. So let's talk about this. On VG, you're going to get a sell or buy. Right now it says M sell, but it's going to be actually VG sell or buy. And I'm going to be on the live session to pretty much help you guys through everything. Now remember this, your US 30 goal is going to be 250 to 1,000 pips. Your SPX goal is going to be 25 pips to 100 pips. Your NAS goal is going to be 250 to 1,000 pips. Now, if you don't understand pips, it's okay because that's why you're in these sessions. Now, these sessions are not educational sessions. You're pretty much just following what I do. Before some of my newest people, just play a 0.01 to start off, and you can actually see how much you are gaining and losing if we do lose. So let's talk about this real quick because there's a couple things here. What you're going to see on your screen is you're going to see some lines. Now, on this version, you're not going to see it because that's on a newer version. There's going to be 4 different colored lines. Now, as you guys see here, you see this white line? That is your initial entry. That is your 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm entering, all right? That is one position there. But where we make most of our moolah is on the pullback. Thus, that is going to be the yellow lines. Now, you're not going to see it on this call that the yellow lines are there because this is an older version. Now, when you see these yellow lines, that is up to you if you guys want to enter more there. Majority of us, we enter the most on these yellow lines. The red line is the perceived stop loss if you would like to use that. Most of us don't use the stop loss. We use the X, which means there's going to be an X that pops up, which you guys will see on this video, that if that candle is solid after the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and there's an X that is painted, think about like paint on the wall, how you can't take it off, then we're going to exit there. So you can either choose to stop loss, where you could just walk away a little bit, or choose to watch. And then the green lines that you're going to see on the calls are the targets. The first target is going to be the 25 pips for SPX or the 250 for US 30, the 500, and then 1,000 for US 30 and NAS, and the 50 and the 100 for SPX. Just understand that. It's going to take some practice here. And the biggest thing I want for my newest people to practice, just clicking the button. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and clicking the button. Let's actually get into this right now.
4 seconds. Y'all ready for the first one?
As you guys see here, I'm prepping you guys up. There's a timer right here at 19 seconds. You guys see the M cell is on. I'm going to be looking at 2 different time frames, but right now I'm looking at just one right now.
Y'all ready for the first one? Here it goes. 15 seconds.
Right now I'm getting you guys ready. Your guys' fingers should be already on the button, ready to go. You guys' fingers should be ready to go for the sell, for the SELL, for it going down for US 30. This is a game. It's time to actually get great at it.
This is going to be, we're going to try to get in. We're going to try to get out. Here it goes, 8 seconds. Here it goes, 3, 2. All right, I'm selling, guys.
So now everybody has clicked the button. There's no hesitation here. There's nothing, no time to think here. I'm selling. Hit the button. Hit the button one time. Some of us click twice because we know what we're risking down there. Your first entry is not your biggest entry. It's the smallest entry. In perspective, your first entry will be a 0.01, and the yellow line entries will be a 0.05, 0.08, 0.09, 0.1. See how there's a big difference there?
All right, you are in. You guys should be automatically in profit. Let's try to get ours. Let's try to get ours.
So right now you are pushing green on your platform right now, or blue on your platform, wherever you are. And you're going to sit in there, and I'm going to walk you guys through the play.
Ours. Go ahead. Let's see if we can get a pullback if we can.
Remember when I was telling you guys about those yellow lines? Now on the newer version, it's automatically on there. But I'm only focused on these pullbacks. If I can get a pullback, I'm about to rack out.
Would be great. You guys should be in profit. Let's see if.
So what are you currently doing right now? You are actively in profit right now. What you need to be doing and focus on is putting your finger on the exit button just in case if this thing starts shooting.
If we can get, guys, keep your finger on the trigger. Keep your finger on the trigger because this can be a fact.
You see what I'm telling you guys? Keep your finger on the trigger. As soon as you enter a trade, immediately your finger should be going straight to the exit button, just in case. Now, if they start moving towards those yellow lines, then that means your finger is going to change to now a trigger for an entry.
Fast exit. Be a fast exit. 280 there. All right, pulling back. Pulling back. All right.
So as you guys see here, it is near the middle. Now you guys can choose to enter early here. Wherever it pulls back, you guys can enter. You guys to choose where you want to enter here. But like myself, I probably would have entered a position here.
Second entry. Second entry.
And that is up to you on you entering there for your bigger position. Now let's go for the top.
Here comes third.
And every time that you enter, you are going straight back to exit button. You're going to literally hold your finger on that exit button just in case. But now we're going to the third, and it's time to get that third entry. This is the big entry because this is going to be the closest to your exit. This is where you're going to get the biggest risk to reward.
Comes third. Comes third. Stay in it. This is a pre. You should be up a little bit on third.
So now everybody tag that top one and tag the middle one, and you guys see just that quick, they're automatically in profit. Now you only have this bottom one still negative, and I'm going to show you guys a trick real quick because as soon as this one goes positive down here, I get rid of the bottom position because the bottom position is only entered because just in case if you start shooting, at least you want to make something. We really want the big positions at the top. And vice versa for a buy. If this was an M buy or BG buy, it would be vice versa. The lowest position would be the best. So right now, as soon as this position goes into profit, I'm pulling out the bottom position where I only have the top ones.
All right, you should be up on two positions. Take the last one out. Take the bottom one out. Take the bottom one out.
See what I'm talking about?
When this gets down here, take the bottom one out. When you guys get down, keep your fingers on the trigger. Take your fingers off, not off, but on the trigger.
And now you should be taking out that bottom one quick. Remember, it's really quick. You saw how quick that was. So not only do you got a bunch of pips for this one, you got a bunch of pips for all of this as well too.
Here we go, there we go. There we go. There we go. There we go, top position. Should be up over it.
So now your top position is already at 250 pips and your middle position is already at 150 pips. You are sitting at over 400. Plus you got the bottom position at break even, or maybe it jumped a little bit down and you made an extra 50 pips on the bottom position, but you are literally free right now. You got the better positions at the top and you're close to the target.
All right, guys, we're done. You're out.
And just like that, we are done. Why are we done right now instead of hitting the target here? Because you've already grabbed 250 up here, 150 here. You're already close to your target of 500 plus pips for today. Now what you could do is take out most of your positions, put a break even, which means if it pulls back, it's just going to hit your break even, meaning you don't lose anything, and you let the rest ride. Now, this is how people are going to capture more pips.
That's it. How much y'all back?
It just really shows you guys in a small amount of time, in a small amount of place, you can make a lot of pips here. Because a lot of people were expecting for it to go all the way down here for us to make our pips. No, we caught the pullback, got out of the bottom ones, and now we racked out on the top. And we're done for the day. Everything else is extra now.
Oh, God. Oh, God. That's it. You're done. Let's see what happens. But I don't trust. Do not risk, like, y'all. And also back. How do you know to stay in the cell? Well, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a little games. Listen to everything I'm telling you.
Now, this is why it's very vital for you guys to follow my lead on this, because if we're playing on certain days like trap days, as you guys see here, we were already done for the day in just this small amount of space here. But now we have the next candle, which is an X up here. If this paints, we are out. But guess what, guys? We're already out. Sells are going to be a little bit harder than buys, and that's why we're really quicker on our sells than our buys. If it was a buy, we just let that thing roll. But this is a sell, so therefore we have to play it strategically.
Also, you guys can watch the other pairs. Now, today for my newest people.
And as you guys see, it painted here. So therefore, we got out just in time. We got ours. Remember, our goal is only 250 to 1,000 pips. Easy gain. We're done for the day. Welcome to VG. And if you guys want to do this solo play is the exact same way. You're going to get multiple plays throughout the day, and you play at your own risk. Hope you guys are ready for this. And welcome to VG. See you guys soon.